जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 4th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, only those who are ignorant, they think that first you have to do karma yogam. As a result of that, you will get jnanam, and then if you continue jnana yogam, as a result of that, you will get self-realization or atma sakshatkaram." They think that it is a process. But, O Arjuna, those who thinks like this, it does mean that they do not know anything. So, karma yogam, if you perform it perfectly, that itself can give you atma sakshatkaram. Jnana yogam, if you perform it perfectly, that itself can give you atma sakshatkaram. So both karma yogam, jnana yogam, two different paths to attain atma sakshatkaram. Like this, Krishna Paramatma saying that jnana yogam, karma yogam are not mutually dependent, but individually they can give us atma sakshatkaram. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Sankhya yogau prudhak balaha pravadanti na panditaha yekamapyasthitaha samyak vubhayoho vindate phalam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my message, Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading your message, Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava." శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Balarama avataram, Sri Krishna avataram, they are direct Paramatma's avatarams. In some of the Paramatma's avatarams, those avatarams just came here to the earth only to fulfill only one or two activities. Once those activities are done, those works are accomplished, those avatarams also will be disappeared. Out of so many of Paramatma's avatarams, there are few known as Avesa avataram, and some of them are known as Amsa avataram. Whereas Narada, Sri Rama avataram, Sri Krishna avataram are full avatarams, and they are here as Rama and Krishna. They are on this earth for longer time to show the righteous path to all the human beings. Out of Sri Rama, Sri Krishna avataram, Sri Rama avataram is Purna avataram, and Sri Krishna avataram is Paripurna avataram. O Narada, when Paramatma came down as Krishna, he has shown so many miraculous activities and established he is Sakshat Sriman Narayana. He is Sakshat Paramatma. Tokena Jivaharanam Yat Vulukikayaha. When Paramatma came down as Krishna, in his childhood itself, he killed Putana. And when he was 3 months old, Traimasikasya chapada sekatopavruttaha, when he is 3 months old, he with his small one foot, he made sure that one of the demon Sekatasura gone upside down. To that extent, Paramatma showed his power in his childhood as Sri Krishna. Not only that, Yashoda tied Sri Krishna to a stone. So in that childhood, Krishna dragged such a big stone and he went through 2 huge trees and made sure those 2 trees were unrooted. To that extent, Bhagavan as Krishna showed all of his miraculous power. After seeing those incidents, those days, all the people felt that, decided that he is Sakshat Paramatma Sriman Narayana. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining, describing Sri Krishna Paramatma's miraculous activities to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Shlokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Bhaktapaya Bhujanga Garudamanihi Trailokya Rakshamanihi Gopilochana Chatakambudamanihi Saundaryamudramanihi Yakkantamani Rukmini Ghanakuchadvandvaika Bhushamanihi Shreyo Devasikhamanihi Disatu no Gopala Chudamanihi Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 5th chapter 4th sloka. Sankhya Yogau Prudhagbalaha Pravadanti Na Panditaha Ekamapyasthitaha Samyak Vubhayoho Vindate Phalam. Sankhya Yogau Prudhagbalaha Pravadanti Na Panditaha Ekamapyasthitas Samyak Vubhayoho Vindate Phalam. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.